So before we get into how to use multiple coupons, there are two things that I need to teach you before we get into this. The first thing is that you have to look on the coupon and make sure that the coupon allows you to use more than one coupon. The second thing is that you have to look at the store's coupon policy and see what their policy is when it comes to using multiple of the same coupon. Okay, looking at this particular coupon, it says limit of one coupon per household per day. That means you can only use one of those coupons per household per day. So you can't use multiple of those coupons, even if your store policy says you can use more than one. This coupon says nah. So don't get that confused with limit of one coupon per purchase. Per purchase is something that most people get wrong, and I will make a video explaining that. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you can get the info when I upload that. So that basically is it when it comes to that. Limit of one coupon per household per day. So recap. Even if your store coupon policy says 4 of the same one, you have to abide by the coupon. This particular coupon does not say anything about having a limit of how many coupons you can use. So with that being said, if your store policy says you can use 4 of the same coupon, then you could use 4 of these because there is no limit on the coupon. If your store policy says you can use 10, you can use 10. If your store doesn't care how many of the same coupon you can use, by all means, if you want to use 30 of these, whatever floats your boat. All right, everyone. We are inside of Google, and the first thing you will do is type in your store's coupon policy. The store you want to look for the coupon policy in the search bar. For the sake of this video, we are going to do Walmart. So I just typed in Walmart coupon policy. You can click 2019 if you want to. I'm sure Google updates it. So it is what it is. Put your store in. I chose Walmart. So the first thing that pops up is Walmart and their corporate coupon, their corporate policies. So I click on that. And then I scroll down because Walmart has a zillion different policies. I click on coupon policy. And when I scroll down, underneath manufacturer coupon, the second bullet point says, and I'll zoom in for you guys. At the top, the second bullet point says, Walmart will follow the manufacturer's limitation as stated on the coupon. So if your coupon says that you can use one coupon per household per day, then Walmart will abide by that. If your coupon does not have a limit on the number of coupons you can use per day, then Walmart will not limit you. So like I said, just Google the store you plan on shopping at, their coupon policy, and scroll through and see what their policy is on the number of same coupons you can use. And that's it. All right, how to use multiple coupons. So this coupon is a $5 off of 3 Pantene products coupon. This one over here is also a $5 off of 3. So in order to use both of them, it's basic math. You are going to have to buy 3 to use this coupon and 3 to use this coupon. So you're going to have to buy 6 to use both of these coupons. Now, a big mistake that people who absolutely do not know how to coupon think, okay, this coupon is $5 off and I get $5 off of every one of these items. No, you get $5 off of the total price of 3. So if you're going to use both of these coupons, you would get $5 plus $5 is $10 off of the price of 3, and 3 is 6. So whatever the total cost of 6 of these Pantene products whatever that total cost is, you will get $10 off of that total cost. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye-bye.